Hey guys, welcome to our very first episode of Modules Explained. Yes, we are very excited. We have been trying to record these videos, but we haven't got yet the time yet. So until today, we're starting with our very first episode. So what can you expect in this type of episode? Well, we'll walk you through the different modules from the Growth Zero series. In today's episode, we will cover the MP3 module. So, what is the MP3 module? Well, it can work as a music player and is compatible with audio file formats such as MP3, WAV and WMV. It comes with a 3.5mm connection port for connecting speakers or earphones. Just have in mind that storage is not supported in the module, but you can insert a micro SD card to store music through the built-in card slot. Let's see how it works. Simply connect the module to your computer. Once done, it will then act as a card reader. Next step is to copy the music you have already on your computer onto the SD card. Just have in mind that the module itself can't read text file names, so this means that you will need to rename the songs you have added onto the SD card. So you will rename them with numbers starting from 1. This is unfortunate, but this is how it is at this time. And it will make it easier later for the coding, as you will just have to use numbers. When you finish renaming the file names, then just safely remove the module from your computer. Next part is the coding part, and we will be using Codecraft, which is basically a graphical programming software. So what we'll be writing is very simple. So we write when it starts, it should play soundtrack 1. It is that simple, and that will make sure once you start your module that the song 1 in this case will be playing. We will need to upload the code onto the mainboard, and we simply do this by connecting the mainboard onto our computer, and from Codecraft we will upload the code. Let's test it out, and for this we need 3 modules: the mainboard, MP3 module and the battery, and of course don't forget the speaker. So that worked well. Now let's try to add an extra module which will allow us to skip the song or even to pause the song. So what we will doing here is just the same as previously. When it starts, it should play soundtrack 1. The only difference now is we need to add extra coding, and this is where we define that when we press the match key or when it's being clicked, that it will go to the next song, and when it's being held for a few seconds, then it will pause the song. That played well, and as you saw, it was very easy to set up. So if the MP3 module is something for you, then please do follow our page and channel, because we will be uploading soon a dedicated video to this MP3 module where we create a music player. Thank you for watching.